Hey, how's it going today? My name is Eric, and today I'm going to be showing you a way for free to search for stocks that you're wishing to swing trade. And if you're using the MACD in particular, but there's other ways you can use this, and as like I've said, it's free, and so what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to Tradingview. You can have a free account. You're going to have to sign up, give your email, some other information, but it is free. They also have a 30-day free trial if you want to, take it for a test drive for other bells and whistles. But we're going to focus on free here. So you're going to end up on this page here that I am here. You're going to go to products here. And then we're going to go down to screeners. And as you can see, even if you're into crypto or Forex, ETFs, you can search for those too. But we're just going to go for stocks here for today. So just click on stocks and it will open up to the screen like this. Let me move this over so you can see some of the things. So this, goes through a lot of stuff: volume, price, change. But up here we're going to want this little plus sign. We're going to click this plus sign, and then there's two ways. We can just simply type in MACD, and there we go. We've got the moving average, convergence, divergence. We just simply click on this. You can, knock yourself out. You want to go 1 day, 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. But to keep it simple, we're just going to go to 1 day. And then we'll just add the filter. So as you can see, nothing has changed yet. We've got to do just a little bit more, so we'll just go back here to where we have MACD. We'll come down here, and if, let's say, we're going for the bullish signal, so that would be a level across this up signal, we just simply click on that. And there we go. We got 527 stocks to look at. Here we got Chevron. You just simply click on. It opens this up, and we'll just go to full chart. And as you can see right down there, the MACD has crossed. I'll make it a little bit bigger for you here on YouTube. The MACD has crossed there. And there you go. So if you, would think this is a good trade, don't take any of my advice. We're paper trading here. I'm just a dumb YouTuber, but this is for, we paper trade. All my advice, paper trade. Anybody's advice, paper trade. So, but that's what you would do if you're using the MACD for your strategy for paper trading stocks. There you go. And you can look through all of them. And so, a question, we'll have a little bonus here for strategy. So let's say you're like, what's he talking about? What's he talking about, MACD? Let's just open this up on the MACD strategy. So you're here. We'll move back over. So we're here. The blue line crosses up. That's bullish. Usually, put a little arrow here. Make it look prettier. So we'll just. We don't need anything like that, but for those that can't see, there should be an arrow. No arrow. This is great. I usually have an arrow, but not today. Sorry. Here we go. We're getting there. So right here, we got an arrow. This is where you would, put in your order. Then it goes up once the blue line crosses here. That's give you. Can we do it? We'll just right there, make it a little bit bigger. That's where you would get out of the trade. So what would that look like just for this trade? And I'm just pulling it out. You can measure. So if we got in here where it blinked, that would be just about anywhere about in here, depending on where you saw the trade, but it'd probably be up here with the green arrow. So we'd be here. And if we got out around here where it diverged, we'd get out after this red candle. At the end of the day, 6%. 6% is nice if you, and you can go backtrack and follow this strategy too. So I hope this helped you out, and happy trading.